Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. We just finished the first section of the New Muslim Crash Course, covering the basics of Islam. In our next section, we'll dive into the essential topic of the Muslim character. But before we continue, I'd like to ask you for your support for JannahVersity. As you've seen throughout these videos, I've intentionally left out any long-winded intros. Please to like, share, subscribe, or hit the bell, or go to our support page, or any of the other calls to action that make YouTube content so annoying. Our mission is to share valuable knowledge without the clutter. However, we genuinely need your help to make our vision a reality. JannahVersity is built on three core missions: teaching people about Islam, supporting those who embrace it, and fostering communities where these individuals can thrive spiritually. One of our tools in that effort is our New Muslim Crash Course, which is essentially everything I wish I knew once I embraced Islam. There's nothing quite like it available online. Yes, there are New Muslim classes online, although very few, but I don't believe anything is comparable for the following reasons. This course is designed to be both extensive and comprehensive, featuring over 95 videos planned to cover a wide range of essential topics. It's taught by somebody with a traditional Islamic education, by someone who's lived the experience of embracing Islam, and it's delivered by somebody who has the cultural context to relate it to the intended audience. We're asking for your support by joining our community and subscribing to our platform. You can do this at JannahVersity.com/subscribe. Naturally, people will ask, is this just for converts? The answer is a resounding no. But at JannahVersity, we have a mission and a focus. A lot of organizations try to be everything for everybody and end up being everything to no one and nothing to everyone. My firm belief is that what is good for converts is good for the community. Nearly all of our content is relevant to all Muslims, but we have a focus in our delivery because we have a specific mission. And if you believe in that mission, I think you're going to love what we're building. If you don't believe in that mission, we're not for you. Thankfully, there's a lot of other content out there for you. JannahVersity has three missions. If it doesn't fit into one of these three goals, it's not what we do. Our first mission is to give da'wah to non-Muslims. Our second mission is to educate and spiritually develop those who embrace Islam. Our third mission is to create communities in which those individuals will thrive. Regardless of whether you were born Muslim or accepted Islam yesterday, if you believe in that mission, you are more than welcome to join us. What you're seeing in the New Muslim Crash Course is just part of the education that we have for those who've embraced Islam. But our second level to this mission is going to be our Islamic educational platform, JannahVersity.com, where we are in the process of developing a university level curriculum, but taught through traditional Islamic studies. In the past, I've used platforms like Patreon, but this is different. Instead of a tiered support model, we're keeping it simple. Subscribe at any amount you choose and gain full access to our courses and community forums. Your subscriptions will help make it possible for us to actualize our three missions of teaching people Islam, of developing those who embrace Islam, and creating communities to help those people thrive. And if you want to be a part of that mission, then you're more than welcome to join us, regardless of whatever your background is. At the time of recording this video, we're still in the production stage of our first courses, which we will continue to add as we go along. So depending on when you watch this video, our platform may contain a lot of coming soon as we progress through the initial development, or you may be able to jump right into the level 1 courses. These courses will cover everything from fiqh, tafsir, aqidah, hadith, history, and much, much more. We have a lot planned, which we can't go over completely in this video, but we will be revealing more of our projects as we go along. There is so much more to come. We're excited to let you know about additional projects as we take breaks throughout this series. Please go to JannahVersity.com/subscribe to join and support our mission. The link is in the description below and pinned at the top of the comment section. Subscribe to our platform and help us grow this mission by being a part of something greater than ourselves.